Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my grill cleaning tool. This is a nice brush. It has three sides. It's about 8 inches long, so it helps you to stay away from the hot grill. But what I like about it is that it's able to get into the grooves of the grill plate. It's by Weber. I like it. I love the triangle shape and the three sides. I love how durable it is. A nice plastic handle that keeps cool. And like I said, it's by Weber. It has this really nice leather strap so I can hang it on my grill when I'm not using it. So the grill needs to be cleaned. So when the grill needs to be cleaned, this tool really does a great job. What I like is that I can scrape all of the food particles down into the grill. I can use these sides to really get in between. And when I'm done, what I really love is that it is so easy to clean. So this is my grill cleaning brush by Weber. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.